Early bird catches the worm, so they say. Come on then. Oreo, come on. Here. 7:30. What time do you call this? 7:30. And there's still lots of bangs going on and lots of heavy rain. So I'm very surprised that you're here again. But you are. Right, you see what you'll do. Will you come in and get this? Because when it's really raining, oh you will. That's a good boy. When it's really, really raining, then I can sit back a bit. It's okay. You're going to get it first tonight again, are you? Yeah? Little hungry little mutt. Right, should we have some sausage? Good boy.